it's Kristen from Down Home Inspiration. I got maybe the happiest of happy mail today. I got this box from R.Riveter. I have been so anxiously awaiting my Gen 3 bag, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you so you can see what's inside right along with me. Hopefully you can look past my gym hair don't care look today. I'm one of those gals who works out and showers and throws workout clothes back on. Most days you'll find me no makeup, no hairdo, just hanging. So anyway, let's get into this beauty and see what we've got. So in case you're not aware, the Gen 3 got some major upgrades and I cannot wait to see. So inside, we've got it wrapped up nicely. They now are adding some cards. They always have cards that have a little bit of information. These cards, super fun. They have a little, almost like a Mad Lib sort of thing on the back. And you can give these out to friends, women who inspire you. And I love that. I love women empowering women. It's my bag. It's R.Riveter's bag. One of the reasons we mesh so well together. Okay, I can't wait any longer. All right, are you ready? Perfection in a bag. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is the hobby. I got black on black. And one of the things that I always like to point out is the tags. They will have handwritten information. They will have a remote riveter number on there. I cannot tell you how much I love that. You can look up who made your bag, basically. Like, you can see where they're at, where they're stationed. Those are gonna be the remote riveters. Those are usually going to be your military wives who are making your bags. So check all over your bag. There's numbers all over. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the Gen 3's upgrades. Check out this bling bling hardware, you guys. It's gorgeous. Even the support tag got quite the blinged out look. I love it. And you might notice that sound. Yep, I got feet. Feet on bags. Oh my goodness, I love it. I am kind of a germaphobe, so it makes me super happy. Christmas morning here, I'll just take all my wrapping paper out. The new lining, beautiful. It's changed from the gray stripes to a black stripe. The hobby has lots of pockets. So you have the two on the front. You have two compartment pockets inside and then also a zipper pocket. So plenty of space to put all of your things. You can wear it on your shoulder. You can wear it as a crossbody. So many options and I just love it. I hope that you love it. If you want one for your own, I do have a coupon code that you can use. It is Kristen, K-R-I-S-T-E-N-L, and you can enter that at checkout for 15% off of any bag. One of the many, 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 many reasons I love being a brand ambassador for this company. I can't tell you how much I love their bags. Please, please, please check them out. And if you have any questions, let me know. In the meantime, I'm gonna go put this bad boy to use.